I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Protein Works. We'll explore their core offerings, nutritional profiles, and overall value to help you decide which brand best suits your dietary needs. Understanding their primary focus areas is key to making an informed choice. Let's dive into the specifics of what each brand brings to the table, from meal replacements to targeted supplements, ensuring you get a clear picture of their differences. When it comes to nutrition, Huel aims for comprehensive meal solutions, providing a balanced blend of carbohydrates, fats, and protein, along with a full spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Protein Works, conversely, is geared towards maximizing protein intake, ideal for muscle growth and recovery. Their products often feature various protein sources like whey or soy. Consider your primary dietary objective when evaluating their ingredient lists and nutritional breakdowns. Both brands offer a diverse product range, but their focus differs. Huel provides convenient meal solutions, including powders, ready-to-drink bottles, and even hot and savory options. Protein Works excels in its extensive selection of protein powders, offering numerous flavors and specialized blends for different dietary needs. While prices fluctuate, Huel's meal replacements often present a cost-effective option, typically around $2.50 per serving, making daily nutrition accessible. Taste and texture are highly personal, and both Huel and Protein Works have a broad spectrum of flavors and product types to explore. Many users find Huel's texture to be smooth, while Protein Works offers a variety of consistencies depending on the protein type. Experimenting with different options from each brand is the best way to discover your preferences. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.